I'd like to show you how to add code to GitHub. Okay. So I had a GitHub repo I already created before in the Soccer Buddy app. But what I'm going to do is I have um, a bigger repo, which is or like a where I want to put it in a way all the like the summer school. It's like a more organized way. Okay. So I have all these kids summer school repo there. I'm putting episode 1, episode 2, episode 3 there. Now, what I'm going to put it is like a episode 4, which is I recorded for the the soccer buddy creation. So how you do that? So you go here. Okay. So I have all the soccer buddy app building creation are in here. You can see that there's a PI file which is cosine similarity based, logic based, notebook, CSV file of the data, readme, and also I used a visual for these database building. Okay, so what I'm going to do, how I can push all these one into my main repository. Okay, so what I do is first I go to the code. So the way we have to do how is first pull all code to your computer from repo, which is the repository. Second thing you have to do, add your code to repo. Third is or the folder. Third is commit and push and then check. Okay. So these are the process on the GitHub. Okay. First thing is pull all your code to your GitHub repo, right? GitHub repo code to your computer. Okay. So I go there. How to do that? I go to my repo. So this is my repo. I go to the code. I go to the HTTPS. It's like copy the URL. Then I go to my VS Code. VS Code will say clone your GitHub repository. If it is not, then if you go to the command palette, it will show you that git clone. So you go there and you paste it here, right? So you can see that it's asking for it. So it will ask for where you want to save. So I choose the documentation folder here and I say like create a repo here. So it will be creating a repo there. So you can see that all these other episode folder over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going here, Soccer Buddy app. I'll exactly rename this one as my episode 4, which is my Soccer Buddy finding app, and everything is over here. And also I created a README file. I'll just copy these one from here, copy, and then I'll look for the documentation folder where it is, Kids Summer School, and I just drop it here. Okay, so you can see when I drop it, it shows over here the whole thing, right? So now what I said is I pulled all the code here. So what does it? You have to pull the code from the GitHub is basically you don't want to be overwrite all the codes that already existed in that repository. So when you pull the code, so you get all the codes over there. Now you're adding. So now the new things added there, and now you'll be pushed back, right? The second step actually, so add your code. The second step is done. Then there's a commit and push, right? So I'll show you how to commit. So if you go here, you'll see that all the folders are there. Then you go in these forking areas. It shows that what the code corrected and stuff like that, and where you are joining. So also the branch you are looking at, the main branch you are going there, right? So in here you just write episode 4 code added, okay? And then you click here commit and push. Okay, so it will commit and push. So it will push the whole codes into your GitHub repo. What's wrong with this thing? The editor could not be opened, unexpected error, body app. Okay, so there are some apps we have to fix it, but if you see that here, you see that soccer body code is already added here. You click on these. There are some issues are there, but you can see the code is added here. I'll fix the code part, why this is happening, and what is the reason behind it. App-based logics. So it is here. I don't know why this is not working. Quit. Let me check. Close. And maybe I close all of them and then I open another time. Okay. So let me open this one. Yes. Then episode 4 is there. Let me check. Yeah, it's all says EU, which is good. Then you can see that Kids Commerce School main is there, and now I have to push it, right? It says I did not push it. So EP4 code. Oh, okay. Should not do that. Added because it's a comment. Sorry, right? So push it. It shows there. Yeah. Okay. Now code UI added. Let me check if it is goes or not. Yeah, it seems it's went there because it's cleared. Then I refresh this one and see if still it's not working or working. Let me check. These all the stuffs are there anyway. No, again, go back to the code one more time. I have to. So do this one again. This is very, very common things in GitHub when you do downloads. You go to the document. I cannot upload through the Git over there. So what I did is I go there. I went to the location and then I created a folder called Soccer Buddy app and here and I just add only readme file here. So at least this folder is created. I want to create in a GitHub, but it was not happening. I don't know what is the error is coming, but just to show you, create a readme, which is it's pull it and the readme I got it there. And then I went to the add file and then I through upload, I uploaded all the files over here. The choose file, and I choose all the files there and it seems it's uploaded everything and that's it. You have all the files over here. So that's how you upload everything here and you can see that visual stuffs are there. Thank you.